welcome to Learn with Pami Craft. Today we are going to be learning how to make a simple earrings under 5 minutes, and these are the materials. Let's begin. So pick up your bead, pick up your head pin, insert your bead, use the round nose plier to bend the wire outward. Use the flush cutter to cut off excess wire. Use the round nose again, the round nose plier, to make a loop. So this is how your loop will look like, and then you open it up a little bit, then you put the earring stud into the loop you have just made, and then close it back. And ta-da! We have a earring. So now you go ahead and do the second one just the same way we've done the first one. You insert the head pin, bend the head pin outward, use flush cutter to cut the excess. Then you make a loop with your round nose plier. Then you open it up a little bit, you open the loop and insert your earring stud into the loop you have made, and then you close the loop back. So if there's any adjustments, just make the adjustments around your loop. And so we have a pair of hair rings. So put this into practice and let me know in the comment section. So if you have watched up to this level, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that you get to see more and more tutorials like this. So these are a pair of earrings. You can see how beautiful the earring is. This is what you can make under 5 minutes. It's so simple to make and it's beautiful. So until I come your way again, see you.